is Tay. I'm from Hi3. Some of you already know me because I've been working with you all on your projects for years. And founder, Dr. Ewen, because I don't know the detail yet. He will know more about the details, even though I've been working here for almost 10 years.
So, thank you very much for joining our session today. The first half of the day today, I'm going to talk about we've been hired to perform. Doesn't matter what kind of job, what you're supposed to perform. You can call it here. Okay? Alright. Violation is engagement, is silent quitting.
So actually that's the lunch is not bad, right? So today I'm just going to share a little.
The last one is what color already? Red or pink, right? How many people are?
See my customer view. Jump.
So the first one is processes. So one by one is waiting for machine.
Very common in every industry during recruitment, so there's few interview process.
Yeah, make
What do you see? How's the water? How's the water? Whether it's your hotel industry, whether it's your medical, whether it's your...
Big round of applause to Dr. Ewen and Dr. Gary today.